Hey guys, today I will be doing a air plant DIY. I hope you guys like it. I will list all of the items I got in this video, and make sure you like and subscribe down below. And if you really like this video, share it. So let's get right on to the video. So for this, you will only need 3 items. First one is a little air plant. This is fake. I just got it at Hobby Lobby. Everything I got today was from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, it's like a cute little fake plant. And then the next thing you will need is some sort of filler for the glass air plant holder with a little string on it. All you will need is just something to fill so your plant will stick in. I just got some white rocks because white's one of my favorite colors, so I just got some white rocks. And then I got a little air plant holder, also from Hobby Lobby, and it just keeps your plants in place. Everything will work. And then you will need some scissors depending on how big your air plant is. Yeah, so let's get on to making it. Okay, so what you are going to do first is get your air plant glass holder, and you are going to get your rocks, sand, or whatever your filler is, and you're just going to put a couple in there, just like this. Be careful because it is glass. So I just am going to fill this up with rocks, and yeah. Okay, so I filled this up with rocks, as you can see. Just a little bit, not too many, because it would overflow if I put too many in. Okay, so your next step is to get your little air plant, and mine is way too big for the holder. So what I did is I just am going to cut the air plant a little bit, and I'll catch you when I am done. Okay, so what I did was I just cut off a little bit of my plant because this part, the stem was too long, so I cut a little bit off so it would fit in my little glass holder. And then I just put some more rocks around the stem to make it stay. And yeah, this is your finished product. You can have the choice of trimming your plants or not. I like it kind of long, so when I hang it, it will look really cool when I hang it. All right, thank you for watching and have a great day. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Said it again, that's okay. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave in the comments down below what video I should do next. All right, thank you.